This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data. Backup photos, contacts, and app settings to Google Drive or a computer. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% and remove any SD card or extra SIM to avoid confusion. Reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app causes the bug. This isolates the problem quickly. If the bug disappears in safe mode, identify and uninstall the most recent apps. If not, continue to the deeper recovery steps now. Boot into the recovery menu using the device-specific key combination, usually power plus a volume key, and choose Wipe Cache Partition to clear temporary system files that can cause instability. Then boot normally and uninstall any apps or app updates installed around when the bug began, focusing on those showing high battery or CPU usage. Next, check settings for a system update and install any available OTA patch, because manufacturers often push fixes for known bugs. If the issue remains, prepare for the final reset step. When other steps fail, the reliable solution is a factory reset. This is the only way to restore a corrupted system partition without specialized tools. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, and choose Factory Data Reset. Confirm and let the phone complete the process. Afterward, restore your backed up data selectively and reinstall apps one at a time to avoid reintroducing the bug. If the reset does not complete or the device still misbehaves, try another USB cable or computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.